Game na.
Tita, when you say hep, I say hooray.
No. If I say hep, you do like this. If I say hooray, you go like that.
Oh, we follow it.
Oh, you do it first.
Hooray is up. Hep is down.
Binago ba?
If I say hep, practice ha. Hep. No.
Di ba ang hore? Ang isasagot niyang hore? Di ba pabaliktad?
Okay. When I say hep, you say hooray. When I say hooray, you say hep. Okay, sorry.
Kasi sasagutin niya eh.
Confused that ko.
Kasi kung ano, gagayahin ka lang, panalo na.
Retiree eh. Alright then.
Do the opposite was he said.
Opposite? Baka ma-confuse sila.
Kaya nga,
Okay? Opposite daw. So,
kasi kung gagayahin ka, di wala na.
what if,
Perfect
what if
palagi.
hep is up.
Yeah.
Yan? Hep is up. Opposite daw para kayo
No, ang
ma-confuse.
ibig ko sabihin,
Sabi nila eh.
yung sagot nila, hore, opposite yung sa sinasabi.
If I say, hep!
No, hore.
I do the opposite. Then divide. If you say hep, I do already.
Like, hep!
Alip na ko na libog.
Hep! Hooray!
Hore!
Galing!
Ano yun?
Galing ni Austin. Okay then. Slower. Hep. Hooray. Hep. Hooray. Slow motion. Alright then. Start now, ha? Hep.
Hooray.
Hep. Hep. Hooray. Galing! Marunong. Okay.
Bukas na matapos yan.
Energy. Alas 10 tayo matatapos. Alright then. Hep.
Hooray.
Hep.
Hooray.
Bamba! Bamba! Bamba!
You get confused,
Okay.
Bamba.
Ano, mama?
Lima na lang. Hep.
Hooray.
Hep.
Hooray.
Hep. Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Hep.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Hooray. Hep.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry. Wow, 4 na lang.
Ang bilis.
4 na lang sila.
A little bit. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
Pas.
Hep.
Hooray.
Hep.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Ah. I say hep.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Let's start again. It's okay. It's okay. We'll start again.
no.
Confuse that ko.
Hindi kasi sabi niyo
Okay, another one. Let's start. Hep.
Hooray.
Hep.
Hooray.
Hooray. Sorry, Austin.
Sorry.
Shock ka ba? Alright then. 3 na lang. Okay. Hep.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Hep.
Hooray.
Hep.
Hooray.
Hep.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Hep.
Hooray.
Hep.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Hep.
Hooray.
Hep.
Hooray.
Ah, naku, pagod na ako. Humihingal ako dito. Ang gagaling. Isa lang ang premyo eh. Paano yun? Hati-hati kayo. Hati-hati kayo sa chocolate. Chocolate lang pala. Sige, tinola na. Pagod na ako eh.
Hooray. Hep, hep. Hooray.
Mag-ama,
Hooray, hep, hep.
mag-away, mag-ama.
Hep, hep. Hooray. Hooray. Hep, hep. Ang sakit ako ng hep, hep eh. Hooray. Hep, hep. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Picture, edit, picture.
nabudol. Nabudol si Nico.
Oh, nag-enjoy ba kayo doon? Nagising kayo?